Hello everybody, welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and this video is Microsoft Word Beginners Level 3. So let's jump right into the video. So first I'm going to show you is how to adjust your margins in your document and how to enable the ruler. So first you have to just click on the View tab and you can see here the View ruler box. Click on it, so you can see that the roller is enabled, and if you want to move the margins, just click on the two dots right here and just click and drag. Okay, so you can adjust the height too. You just have to click on the left ruler and just click and drag. So it's just easy as that. And the next thing I want to show you is how to find and replace a text in your document. Just press Ctrl+H in your keyboard, so the find and replace tab will appear. So I'll go to the replace tab first, and I'm going to find this word Donic right here. I'll type Donic and replace it with fire. So I'll give replace all. You can see all done. We made 8 replacements, so 8 words are replaced with fire. You can see that the word Donic is replaced with the word fire. Alright, so let's next go to the find tab and just find the word Mobi right here. Let's type in Mobi and give reading highlight. If you want to see the word that has been highlighted, just click on reading highlight and highlight all. You can see that the Mobi words are highlighted in this document. So I'll just give find. You can see that the Mobi words are given right here. It's easy when you are just typing something. You just have to find a word that has to be recorrected. You can just click on Ctrl+H and find the word. Let's next go to the go to tab, and you can see that I haven't numbered my pages still, and you can go to sections, section breaks, and you can go to lines, bookmarks that you have made, comments that you have made on your document, or you can find objects and headings. So it's easy as that. So let's close this. And next I want to show you is how to insert and chart to your document. So let's go down here and give enter. So just click on the insert tab and click on the chart option. You can get the charts that are available. So I'll just go with a pie chart right here. So you can edit the pie chart in Excel. So I'll just edit the chart and show you. Business, and the first quarter is cosmetics, and the second quarter is stationery. Third is the profit, and the finance fee. So you can see that the chart is edited, and the parts that I edited here: cosmetics is blue, stationery is orange, profit, and finance. So you can adjust the size and go ahead and type any number you want. It will adjust to that size. So stationery is 6.2 and the profit is 10. Alright, and the finance fee is 9.2. So this is the pie chart, and you can just close this after editing and just click on this top brand box in the quick styles, and you can add any style you want. I'll just go with this black style 7. and you can edit the colors you want. I'll just close this. So another option that is, you can just, after you add the details, you can just click on the change chart type, and you can just click any chart type you want again, so the information would not be changed, but you can change the chart type. Alright, can select data from here and edit again. Another thing is, you can add chart elements right here and select the layout you want. I'll just go with this. Alright, so just give enter and add a new page. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to add an table to your document. So let's go ahead and click on the insert tab and click on the table option, and I'll just go with 4 by 4. Yeah, I'll just go with 4 by 4. And just, if you didn't get the table design tab, just click on this box right here and you will go to the table design tab. So just click on this drop down box again and choose any design you want. Just go with grid 4 table, and you can add any shading you want. Just click on the box again and add any shading you want, any color. Just go with this cream color, and you can just edit the border styles, border color. I'll just go with blue, and you can highlight any columns you want like this. So can click on the borders option right here and give this all borders, so all of the borders will be highlighted in blue. So you can just click inside borders, and inside of the borders will be highlighted. So you can just add information by clicking on inside these boxes. Okay, alright, so this is it about the table. So next main thing I want to show you is how to add an table of contents for your document to make it more perfect. So I'll just put this down right here and go to the first page. So your first page should be blank. After your cover page, add an table of contents. So go to the reference tab and click on table of contents, and always go with the automatic table too, because you can update it easily. And you can see I'm getting this error because I haven't highlighted any text to become any heading. So I'll just add some topics for this and go ahead and resize this to 16 bold, and I'll just give another subtopic. Alright, and another subtopic. If you want to make an main topic, just highlight the text, left click and drag. In the home tab, in this ribbon, you can see the styles. So in the home tab, in this ribbon, you can just styles and click this top brown box, and just, if you want this as a main heading, just go with heading 1. If you want this as a subtopic, just go with heading 2. So I just want this lorem ipsum as an main heading, so I'll just go with heading 1 and adjust the color to automatic so it's black, and I just want this example as the heading 2. So heading 2 means it's a subtopic, and this fire word as an subtopic in the subtopic. So I'll just go with heading 3. Alright, so just go to your table of contents, hit update table, and you can see that the table has been updated. So this is the main topic. Under this topic, under lorem ipsum, example is a subtopic, so under example fire is a subtopic. So if you want to find this topic in your document, just click on control and click on the word, and it will take you where the heading is. So that's it for Microsoft Word Beginners Level 3 video. More videos will be coming about Microsoft Word and more tutorials. So stay tuned and bye.